Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in. Do you want to get logged in Gulf Bank? Then just watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You have to open your browser and search for Gulf Bank login. After searching it, you will see many search results over there. Find the appropriate link. Hit the Gulf Bank personal, click on this and you will be redirected to the official page. Here you can see your login button at the top right corner. Click on login and personal online banking. Then this is the form where you have to fill the credentials. You have to fill username as temp user. You have to fill the username of your account and click on this continue button. After that, you have to fill your account number, bank account number, fill it, and then simply click on this continue button. And then it will ask you some more questions over there, and there you have to fill it with correct credentials and get logged in. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.